That chap there.
Good news, guys. There's a new server called the Nexum Network, which is basically sort of another season of Nexum Craft. It's not online 100% of the time because it's on Vexening's computer, but it is really good news that we immediately, the same day I upload my last ever video, and there's a new one up, which is really nice. I'm just exploring the lobby a little bit here. This is just a room. This is a really nice build though, actually. That's a creative server. I assume we won't actually be allowed to use command blocks. That would be interesting. I want to go down. Oh, it's barrier blocks already. And this is a survival server. Let's get started. Right, let's immediately start running away because there's pillagers. No spawn. I got shot already. Oh my goodness. Right. So rather than what I did last time and going miles and miles in the nether so that nobody can find my base, what I'm going to do is just run in some direction until we find a nice place to live. That pillager is actually keeping up with me. What is this? How fast is that pillager? How are they keeping up with me? What is their rate pathfinding AI? Yeah, they have a dangerous spawn that's going to need sorting out. Right, we want to live somewhere near the ground. And we're going to have to find some more food soon. I hope I didn't go in the same direction as Vexening and I'm stealing his base area. I think we've lost those pillagers. That's good. That's my first trigger. I just accidentally duped my crafting table. I just found an item duping glitch by accident. But unfortunately I don't know how to take advantage of it. So I can get more duped items. Thing is, I'm probably best off saving some passive mobs because it is a server. And eventually they'll be difficult to obtain. And we've just had our first meal. That's nice. Oh, it's approaching nighttime already. Didn't get enough sheep, did I? I've got one wool. I've just duped an axe as well. Well, if this happens enough time by accident, I'm going to end up accidentally duping some valuable stuff, which is nice. A ton of cows. We can get a cow farm set up. Sheep. I need sheep. I need some sheep. I think I made a serious mistake not getting a bed. So we're gonna need to try and set up something safe-ish. Right. I can see out, they can't see in. And I don't have enough to make a crafting table. We've finally found some iron. Stone pick just broke, so let's go back to the top and see if it's morning yet. Not anywhere near morning. That was a wandering trader. It's morning. And that creeper just exploded. Which did nothing, thank goodness. I don't have any emeralds. The llamas are actually chasing me down my mine. Who is the wandering trader now? So my plan is to make some sort of lake house over this lake area here. So the first thing we need to do is just get some deforestation done. Ah, we have found some sheep. And we have ourselves a bed. Yep, if creepers were working, I probably would not have survived that. I don't know. I did run away, but still. Thing is as well, we absolutely want chickens. And the automatic cow farm struck me as being thoroughly overrated. in comparison to a regular cow farm, so I'm going to probably try and set one of those up too. Right, where can these chickens go? I'm going to have to go in to collect the leads anyway, never mind. And we're going to want hoppers and dispensers to get more and more chickens. Okay, you can't do that because of lag. Go in the hole. Go in the hole. There we go. Right, now we've got sheeps, cows, and chickens. Yes, I did say sheeps. Right, so the first thing we want to do is work out where our base is going to be exactly, and then the next thing we want to do after that is set up a mine shack. So I think I'm going to go over the general area where my base is going to be. There we go. Oh, creeper. I mean, I'll try to do the best I can. No, I don't even know when it's taking damage. It's barely visible. It went off anyway. Now I need to figure out a perimeter. I'm thinking 20 by 20, so this is 4 wide, so that's 2 that way, 2 that way, that's 8 either way. Right, okay, and then we're gonna just... That's all we have so far with the base of the base, but shouldn't take too long to get a load more birch. In the meantime, let's set up a mini base near there, so we don't have to keep walking backwards and forwards. So we're going to set up an area with some grass paths leading to our mine shack, which I'm about to build. Yep, the 1 string. We want as much string as we can get. So we've got a mine shack now, it's just a case of getting the mines inside set up. Oops, I just dug straight down. I did have 2 blocks next to each other, which I always do to stop that from happening, but turns out I was actually only stood on one of them. So I just fell into a cave. You know what, I think it'd look a lot better if we actually... Here's what I'm thinking, I'm just going to put a block here just so that this isn't a danger. It would look really good if we used glass around this, especially white stained glass. Just a second, what side are the ladders on? Yeah, they are on the other side, okay. I don't know why I got lost as to which side the ladders were on. That fall must have really disoriented me. Fortunately, we don't have a nearby desert, so it's going to be hard to find enough sand, because we're going to need a lot of sand. I think there's enough shorelines for us to get plenty. And then we're going to have to get a composter for some bone meal, because I don't think I can deal with skeletons. But yeah, then we'll get some white stained glass, and we'll finish the mine off with that before we make a start on our house. But for now, this is all I have time for.